Yeah. So one of the biggest things that we get is that potentially the same information could be found on Google. So, I mean, we all use Google. It has its place, of course. The way we overcome it is that the reality with Google is anyone can put anything onto the internet. So it hasn't been vetted. Oftentimes there's misinformation or downright inaccurate information. Our platform enables a business to provide a expert created, heavily researched, completely from a solid scientific research perspective, content and tools that can actually drive positive change. If someone has high health literacy, then perhaps they would be able to identify which pieces on the internet are accurate and get that advice. But for most people, even some who think they have really good health literacy, actually, there's a lot of misinformation out there. And so we help cut through that and make sure that if a business is providing well-being support, that it's going to be credible, scientifically based, meaningful, and actually can drive genuine outcomes. Another concern that is often raised is whether or not the staff within a business will engage with the platform. And whilst it is impossible for me to go into a business and guarantee a certain level of uptake, because it still is reliant on individuals utilizing it, our program has been designed to ensure that people engage with it really well. And our engagement levels are super high. Depending on which metric you look at, we range between 56 to 89% average utilization, which is super high. Most people working within this space are lucky if they achieve about 30 to 40%. That would be considered a high result. So that really, really helps you when you can go in and show the metrics of average utilization that we're getting. And I can generally assume based on that a business would be able to get great utilization rates. Probably the only other one I'll highlight, because I mean, I could go on, there's plenty of them out there, is that a lot of businesses feel that because they have an EAP, I'm not sure if you're familiar with what that is, but an employee assistance program, typically a service that is designed for employees who are in a risk state.